Espinoza for the state.
Really, Scott for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Scott?
Yes, I am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Scott, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
What do you mean,
Rewind that first second. The defendant's already gaslighting. In Texas, lying to the court can tack on an extra charge called false report. Keep score at home. How many fibs can you spot before the gavel drops?
It tells you what you're charged with.
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cox,
Thank you.
did you review the court admonishment? It tells you your rights and the plea bargain agreement.
Notice the music swell. That's the producer screaming. No live witnesses. Translation. The state's evidence is so airtight they don't need a warm body on the stand. When paperwork alone can cage you, it's game over.
All right, you're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any,
Isn't this a state jail?
yes, it's a
facility?
state jail felony.
But is this a state jail facility?
Yes, it's a state jail felony. So that, you want to explain that to her?
You're not finished.
She just asked the quiet part out loud. Wait, this is a state jail felony, but is it a state jail facility? That's like asking if the guillotine is sharp. Counsel's side eye says it all.
He understands now, I believe, too.
All right, did you understand you're charged with the state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Scott, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. Under 1244, there's an $800 fine. State will take in consideration 2025 CC 009934. There's to be restitution, if any, to Avis Budget Group. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, I do.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty.
Heads up, she's waving goodbye to cross-examination. Once you stipulate the cop's reports as truth, the only thing left to negotiate is the size of the orange jumpsuit. Would you roll the dice with a jury or swallow the 6 months?
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask the court to follow the plea agreement.
All right, why are you doing this?
I'm not doing anything.
No, why did you take a vehicle that didn't belong to you and damage the mirror and the roof? Because that's what's in the stipulation.
I left the car in the parking lot.
Well, according to the stipulations, the amount of restitution that you owe let me find it.
And I think that includes the tires.
Mhm.
So she understands that, but it's just no contest. She taking responsibility for action.
6 months, $800, plus $950 to Avis. That's $1,750 and half a year of her life for a busted mirror and a joyride. Quick math. That's about $96 a day to learn that borrow only works with permission.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for any time served, there is an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Take in consideration 2025 CC 009934. There's to be restitution to Avis Budget Group in the amount of $950. There's to be no contact.
Verdict's in, but the jury is you. Drop a hammer if 6 months feels right, or a broken heart if mercy was worth a shot. And hey, subscribe before your algorithm sentences you to cat videos for life.
With Avis Budget. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
You're
you so
welcome. Have a
much.
good one. You're welcome. Who's next?